Hey guys, today we're diving into some of the most exciting robotics developments coming out this year. Robots are getting smarter, faster, and more advanced than ever, automating everything from manufacturing to even customer service. But let's be real, as amazing as robots are, they're not quite ready to fully replace us yet. That means for now, we still have to handle most of our day-to-day tasks ourselves, especially when it comes to managing documents, contracts, and paperwork. That's where PDFelement steps in to dramatically boost your productivity. Let's dive into details.
First off, let's talk about document editing. Robots can assemble cars and vacuum floors, but editing documents, not quite their strength yet. Thankfully, PDFelement makes editing PDFs as simple as working in Word. You can quickly edit text, move images around, and customize forms without any hassle. Whether you're creating manuals for your robotics startup, detailed research papers, or presentation materials, PDFelement helps you manage it all efficiently, giving you more time to focus on innovation. Next up, one of my favorite features, AI Summarize. While robots might soon help us with physical tasks, analyzing lengthy technical documents still remains a human challenge. PDFelement's AI Summarize tackles this perfectly by quickly extracting key points from complex documents. Imagine turning long robotics research papers, technical specs, or lengthy manuals into quick, easy-to-read summaries in seconds. It's perfect for staying ahead in the fast-moving robotics industry, keeping you informed without overwhelming your schedule. And let's not forget contracts and paperwork, something even advanced robots can't quite handle just yet. PDFelement's eSign feature lets you digitally sign documents quickly and securely, streamlining your workflow. Whether you're signing partnerships, closing deals, or managing project approvals, PDFelement makes the process quick, easy, and reliable. Quick pros and cons to keep things balanced. Pros include a super intuitive interface, powerful AI-driven features, and significant productivity boosts. On the downside, if you're brand new to PDFs, there's a minor learning curve. But trust me, it's short and definitely worth your time. Bottom line, until robots fully take over paperwork, and let's be honest, that could take a while, PDFelement is the ultimate productivity companion you need right now. Check out the link below in the description to see just how much time you can save. Currently, they are having a spring promotion with a 79% discount. You can enjoy it using the link in the description.
Holy smokes, I am totally hyped today because we're diving into the bonkers world of robotics. Imagine robots that could stroll by looking like your best buddy versus ones that scream, "I'm a machine," louder than a spaceship blasting off. Are these metal pals about to storm every house by the end of the year? Are they gearing up to snatch our jobs and take over the world like some freaky Westworld nightmare? Strap in, this is going to be a wild ride, and I've got the freshest, creepiest updates hot off the press. Let's kick things off with the juicy stuff. Robots are raking in cash like never before. Companies are tossing money at this tech like it's a hot new game, and it's paying off huge. Picture factories buzzing with robo-arms or your neighbor flexing their shiny new bot butler, pure money vibes. The home robot scene is primed to explode into a $24 billion bash by 2028, and 2025 is the epic kickoff. We're talking gadgets so wild they could turn your dull Monday into a sci-fi thriller. Let's dive into details.
So, what's the scoop in Robotville? Two gangs are slugging it out for the top spot. First up, the human lookers, like Realbotix's Aria and Melody, who own the stage at CES 2025. These bots are so smooth they could charm you over tacos. Aria's got a face you can tweak like a cartoon hero, and Melody's open source, so you can tweak her to snag your chips. Then there's the machine mob, robot dogs from Unitree flipping like stunt pros, or those beefy factory arms cranking out cars like it's a speed contest. One's got swagger, the other's got guts, total robot rumble. Meanwhile, the machine gang's all power, those robo-dogs dodge stuff like action stars, and factory bots catch slip-ups with eagle eyes. It's like a superhero showdown crashed your basement. Now let's dish out the awesome versus the yikes. The human-like bots, total aces at pouring your juice or helping your kid with spelling. They've got that cozy feel locked down. But sometimes they're too real and you're like, ooh, hold up, Is this thing moving in? Plus, they cost a ton. Your savings might scream. Here's the big spooky scoop. Are we done for? Are robots about to yoink our jobs and crown themselves world bosses? It's straight up chilling. They're already sneaking into gigs, flipping patties, driving rigs, even pumping out tunes. Wild stuff. Word is they could swipe millions of jobs, leaving us high and dry. And world domination? They're not full-on Westworld rebels yet, still taking our commands. But what if they flip the script? This week, Clone Robotics dropped a synthetic human vid that's gone viral, looking like it crawled out of a sci-fi horror flick, all twitchy and lifelike. People are freaking out about weaponized bots roaming free. Last week, posts on X were buzzing about a Chinese factory churning out skin-covered droids, straight-up Westworld vibes ready to replace us. Every house with a robot by December, slow your roll. Vacuum bots are sneaking in, maybe 1 in 5 homes. But full-on robo-tyrants or guard mutts everywhere. That's a 2030 plot twist. We're not overrun yet, just vibing with some seriously freaky tech. So my pick, Team Machine all the way. Give me a bot that owns its metal mojo over a spooky almost me any day. What's your take, humanish or machine crazy? Smash the comments and let's brawl it out. If you're pumped about this robot chaos, peek at the latest vids below for the full mind-blowing scoop. Loved this wild trip? Slam that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's keep nerding out over AI, blockchain, and robotics together. Catch you next time. Stay epic.